Yeah, so it's been a slow couple days here doing the quarantine chronicles this week. Derek's WRX keeps breaking. Yeah, we thought it had a bad starter. Ends up just the connection was bad, but we put a starter in it anyway. Thermostat was bad yesterday, so we did that. But we got some work done on Dusty's roll cage here, and I'm gonna try and finish that by the end of this lockdown. But yeah, I'm gonna work on that a little bit tonight, and hopefully I'll talk, but he's driving over there, so I don't know how well it's gonna work. But we're here today working on Dusty's roll cage, hoping to get that done. Derek goes back to work in like a couple days, so we're hoping to get this done. And I'd still like to get the engine and trans put in my car over here. We didn't quite get as much done on the list as we wanted, but in my opinion, we got a fucking ton done, so that's a plus. And yeah, I don't know. What do you think, Derek?
I think we did pretty good considering. I had a few hang-ups on my red car, probably kind of slowed things down. But I think we made good progress on this. We'll have this done before I go back to work. And like you were saying about the Ford, we definitely could at least get the motor and trans set in and fabbed up to move farther on that project.
Yeah, we just got to finish Dusty's door over here, the roof bars. And that's all that has to get done. We want to add a couple pipes. We've got to see how much material we have left over. So we're going to go from there and yeah, enjoy. Well, the cage is officially what's necessary all tacked together. I think we're still gonna add a couple reinforcements. We'd like to do like a strut tower bar and maybe a couple other ones, but what's required is all done. Well, at least all tacked together. Just did like the roof bars today. Got both doors done yesterday and today. Yeah.
Yeah, we got welded together and put gussets in it and maybe throw in a few other bars that we just like to have, I'd say. It's basically ready.
Beer time.
Yes, beer time.